Right, here we are. I'm starting my vlog to spin. Oh, well, the toilets are right there. At the airport, I wanted to, can you hear me? Hello, it's a bit loud. I wanted to start the vlog from me getting up this morning, but it's so loud. But, so I tried getting everything in my case this morning. The case wouldn't shut by a mile, like there was no chance it was shutting. So I took loads of things out, and we finally got it to shut. It was over the allowed kilos, whatever you call it. Then my boyfriend was carrying it, George, and I looked and the zip had snapped. Like, so I had to storm up. I went upstairs and I let him and my mum do it because it was very stressful. It was 11:45, we were leaving at 12 and my case had just snapped, so you know, I wasn't starting it while I was stressed. I am here now. I've met the girl that I'm flying with, Elle. She's very nice. She will be in the vlog, but I can't do intros and outros around people because it's just so cringe. So this is just gonna be like little snippets of like here and there. Obviously, like first week I want to get settled in and stuff. I won't be focusing, well, I don't know, on doing the vlog. It'll just be like little snippets here and there, but mask on, let's go to spin. Look.
I hope you're enjoying your flight. We will shortly pass through the cabin with our great one scratch card. Thank you for your generosity and wish you the very best of luck. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is day 2. Just woken up last night, done a bit of unpacking. I've still got a bit more to do. Today we're going shopping for like food and stuff. Then we're rehearsing. That's all really. Yes, I'll show you my view ATM. It's pretty good. It's a lovely day. Updated room tour. Finally have covering for here. Like a little door, love that. Finally got a wash basket. Oh, this is so much tidier. Love it. So my shoes, well, some of them, that's same as before. That's just like face clean stuff, hair stuff, makeup. Let's shut there. In here I have no rail in my wardrobe. Yeah, so I need to get one of them, but for now, folding like dresses, bottoms, tops, dresses. And then in here I have like pyjamas, bikinis on that side, rehearsal stuff that side, and then tops, like summer tops. And then they're just like, what's even in that top one? Oh, nothing. Oh. Got a spare room. Anyway, yeah, that's all. There's my teddy. There's my bed. Hello. Right, where are we at? So yesterday I was going to finish off like yesterday's day vlog thing, but we literally just rehearsed all day. And I was dead. Like, I was so tired. I went to sleep at like 10:30 and I woke up to my alarm at 9:15. Like, and there's work, like building outside, building works, and I heard it and I went straight back to sleep. It was so loud, but I was so tired. Like, honestly, can't stress how dead I was yesterday. Just done a bit more rehearsing today. Now we've got a bit of free time. I'm going to do a bit of exploring, so I'll take you with me, maybe, if we do anything fun. And then doing more rehearsals tonight, maybe with some costumes. And yeah, that's it really. This week's vlog might be a bit boring to some because this week, obviously it's my first week, I'm just like settling in, doing rehearsals. But then once we start doing the shows, I've got loads of free time, so I can go to the beach and I can take you with me and stuff, so yes. And we're currently going shopping. We'll just like have a little look around. So might show you some bits if it's worth showing you, if not, shame. Hi, I'm just doing an update. Have been shopping, and Elle said, oh, I want to take a picture of this like fountain. I was like, oh yeah, maybe I should like do a little vlog because we've been shopping. Got some bits, I'll show you them later. I've just got a few tops because we're like right in the centre of like the city where we are, so there's so many shops near us. We're both really bad shoppers, well, not bad shoppers, but like we shop a lot. by a lot, so probably not good us two being together, but tempting. This is where we are, that's Elle. So this is where we are at the minute. We're heading back now because we've got some more rehearsals. And yeah. Okay, so I'm here to tell you what I got. First up, got some hair grips. They're silver because they need to match my hair, but my hair is like white, silver anyway, so they'll match. I got this with that. Then I got this top. It looks really dark, but it's not. It's like a blue sort of colour. Then I got this small purse to fit in these bags because I brought my massive purse because I'm smart. Then I got this little crop top and that little crop top. I love this colour. The colour's not really showing. You see, but it's like a mint green, and I'm living for the mint green. I'm living for mint green at the minute, like on clothes. Love it. So that's all. Gonna have some food and then rehearsals again. I'll also do a little room tour now. Room tour, house tour, apartment tour. I'll do it now. Okay, so this is the entrance. You walk in the entrance and through here. And this is my room. This is my little room ATM. And then, let's see, window and all that jazz. Lovely stuff. Then in here is just like, obviously just like clothes washing stuff. Again, nice big window, all that jazz. Then we come into here and it's Elle's room. Girl I'm here with. Lovely stuff. Then down this corridor and some Chinese women. And then in this corridor we have a bathroom. That's like a full-on sauna and everything, that shower. Quite fancy. That door is just another door to Elle's room, but it's locked, cool. That's another bedroom for a woman that we're sharing it with. She's very nice, very lovely. Ooh. I just went to click on the lights, but the blue lights came on. Anyway, this is the another bathroom. That's jacuzzi. Got some funky lights. Very snazzy. And that's just another bedroom. I come in here. And then this is just this. Like a living space. And then that's the kitchen. Lovely stuff. And then a balcony. So update, I just thought I'd do an update. My back is currently in spasm. I've just been told that we have a show tomorrow night and my back is currently in spasm. It happened yesterday. Oh, this is a bit lighting, isn't it? It happened yesterday, the spasm. It's like near my shoulders and my back. It's happened before because I get a really tight back, so I'm used to it, but yeah, it happened last night when we were rehearsing. Like it literally just like went really tight. And then went to sleep, had a really bad night's sleep, obviously, because I was just in pain, but not that bad. Like I've had worse nights, so anyway. And then like today, it's still like we're rehearsing, and like even if like I move my arms around, it's like really sore and tender, and hurts. So yeah, still in spasm, and we've got a show tomorrow. So I'm hoping it sorts itself out. But yes, that's all for today. Rehearsing, and then I'll take you on my show. I really keep forgetting to update, like, and then something happens and I'm like, I could have filmed that. We're on our way, well not on our way right now, but we're going in a minute. We are setting off in a minute to go to our first venue, our first show. Yeah, that's all really. try, obviously I can't vlog the show because I'm going to be on stage, but you know what I mean, I'll try and like show you the venue and stuff. I'm excited, let's go. So we've just arrived at the place. We're just walking down to the beach because we're a bit early. I'll show you the beach when we get. Hi, I'm not hungover, I'm just dead. I look so hungover and I'm not drunk. I'm not drunk, I didn't drink, it's just the morning after our first show. I forgot to film the stage, like show you the stage venue, but there's plenty more to come. Yeah, I got a free day today and then another show tonight. I think we're going shopping again. Just for some bits. That's all for this week though. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.